In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit indicator in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your indicator's controls and how to tailor its behavior, appearance, and visibility so your chart works the way you do. First, open your chart in Tradingview. Make sure the specific chart you want to work on is visible and that the indicator you plan to edit is already on the chart. Everything we're doing happens right here. So here is no need to navigate away. Now, look to the top left corner of the chart pane where that indicator appears. Each indicator places a small label with its name right in that area. If you are running multiple indicators or using separate panes, focus on the label for the one you want to change. That label is your anchor point for editing. Hover your mouse over the indicator's name to reveal the gear icon for settings. Then click it. This opens a window with everything grouped into clear sections. Start with inputs. Inputs shape how the indicator calculates its values. Adjust the length to control responsiveness. Shorter lengths react more quickly to price, while longer lengths smooth out noise. Choose the source that fits your approach, like close, high, or low, so the math references the data you care about. If the indicator provides thresholds, such as overbought or oversold levels, set them to align with your criteria. Small, deliberate changes here can have a big impact on the signal you see. Next, head to Style to refine how the indicator looks. Pick colors that stand out against your chart background, increase or decrease opacity for emphasis or subtlety. And choose plot types such as line or histogram when supported by the indicator. If the view feels crowded, hide components you don't need, so the essential plots remain front and center. A clear visual style helps you interpret signals faster and with more confidence. Then review visibility. This determines on which timeframes the indicator appears, from minutes to hours to days. Configure it so tools meant for broader trends show up only on higher timeframes, while intraday overlays stay on shorter intervals. With consistent visibility rules, your charts remain clean and purposeful as you switch between timeframes. When you are happy with the changes, click OK to apply them. Your chart updates immediately, letting you confirm the effect in real time and proceed with analysis using settings tuned to your workflow. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.